All right, what's going on, y'all? We got another pre-market watch list. Today is April 28th, Tuesday. Um, so going into the market today, we talked about some levels, mainly this level at 66450, which was our previous Friday's high. Um, we were looking at this level for either a rejection or getting above it and building along. You can see yesterday we did, coming out of the pre-market, we did fail this level, but we never really retested it. And after failing this level, we had somewhat of a push down to this 660.70. And we ended up bouncing off of that and slowly zombie grinded up. Yesterday was a real choppy session. Not much happened. And you can see towards the end of the market, we almost tested this level, but never quite hit it. Um, coming into to coming into today, we're gapping down, and with this gap down, we lost 662, which was a major support yesterday. So we had kind of this daily zone right here. We lost this 662 and ended up, flushing down to the 656 all in the pre-market. Which, if you see my community post last night, which I doubt because it was at like 11 p.m. I was saying that if we lose this 662, we'll fall to 657, and after 657, so basically if we close like under this low in this box and we continue rejecting it, we could easily have a flush down to about 652, which would be filling this gap. So if I come to regular trading hours, you can see we have this huge gap here, and so if we continue to stay in this range, we'll fill this gap, pretty easily because there's not much volume in this range. So um, let's go back to extended. Coming into today, I'll be looking for shorts. Um, Hopefully we can get a retest of this 652. If we can get a retest of this 652, maybe even a pop and build above it to 664, I'll be looking at shorts for these levels to get the continuation down. But hopefully we can get a move that continues. You can see most of this move happened in the pre-market. Um, Robbing us for our monies is what I've been saying all this morning. Um, Yesterday, did I take this long right here? Yeah, I took this long right here. QQQ 0 days. It did like 60% or something. Nice, quick, easy trade. So yeah, I'll be watching the 662 level. Hopefully for a retest. If we can't get that, I'll be watching the 657 level for a retest short. You could have the 660 level on your chart as well for short. Basically, every key level I'll be trying to short it. Um, Depending on what we're looking like, I'm not gonna short if it's just a strong 5 minute candle and it looks like the trend is gonna go. But if we test some of these levels, I see weakness around them, I'm definitely looking for shorts. Back into around this 651 target. We have 650. After 650, we have 645. Then we have 642, which I think these are some of last week's lows. So now let's turn on our wolf chart, our indicators. And we see, yeah, 642 is the last week's low. This is Thursday's low right here that's been untested and unfilled. So a lot of magnets, a lot of liquidity to the downside. Like I said, all we need is the continuation. You see on the 5 minute, we have this bullish order block kind of stacking up. So if we start closing under those, it's not much to stop us. Looking at the 1 hour chart, looks really good. We got about the top of the 200 EMA at 650, so we can be expecting a bounce there. But if we lose this 650 level, I'm pretty confident that we could go to retest at least Thursday's low. If we take out Thursday's low, we can go see last week's low, which was made on Tuesday. So looking like a good day in the market. Hopefully we can catch some moves and get paid, since most of the move happened pre-market, but that's how it goes sometimes. So appreciate y'all for tapping in. Let's keep up the consistency. Let's keep going, and Hopefully we can have some follow-ups in the market.